All right, ladies and gentlemen. Hey, we on TV? I guess y'all won't be on TV. Hey, Santana. Hey, you on TV? We at the repass right now, you know? All right. Oh, it was crying again. All right, so anyway, as a repass. All right. Watch it, y'all. Watch it. Ava right here. Patrick, you want to say something? All right, you don't want to say nothing. All right. So let's go outside whenever I can, you know. All right. Look at this picture once again right here with the YouTube, right here with the Facebook one. All right. Excuse me. Excuse me. Well, I don't want to. TJ, you want to say something? You on the show? All right, y'all on the show too. You on the show?
No.
Y'all want to be on? All right.
No.
All right. You on the show? All right. Say here, you want to say something? You on the show? On Facebook and YouTube.
Yeah, so hold up. The question I have is, am I the assistant executive producer?
That's what I said, the co-executive producer. That's what I say.
That's that man over there. Tell him he's not, because he thinks he is.
Well, no, he don't think that.
Ask him. I will ask him right now.
Well, no debates. I said no debates. Debate, you're fired.
What?
I said, if you debate, you're fired. I'm just kidding. You have your own show anyway. Well, I'm just joking, ladies and gentlemen. Okay. Data warning. Huh. You've used. Say, Dinky, you want to say something? Dinky, you want to say something?
What up, Dominoes?
Facebook Live and YouTube Live.
Shout out to Dominoes 7. My young cuz, he's doing his thing. He's trying to get his subscribers up. He got a bunch of them.
Oh, yeah.
Almost up to 1,000 or something.
Exactly.
So keep showing him some love. I appreciate y'all for showing him some love.
All right.
7 more.
All right. Okay. Better stop the tape on the. I'll stop the tape on this Facebook Live. Okay. All right.